What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video we will do the other part of the GUI in the main section. So we left off at creating this very good looking stuff here without any functions though, so it is quite good. But now what we will do is whenever we input this IDs, products ID, okay, it's hidden, so we can just say input ID, PID, whatever. So, and when we search, it will display like the name over here, the price, enter quantity, maybe some discount. So we'll create that stuff. So we'll see, define Ajax. So it's going to perform like Ajax, so I'm gonna name it Ajax. Does not make quite sense though, but arguments, keyword arguments. So whenever the button is pressed, Ajax will run. What Ajax will do it will get the name of the product that we're searching, and for that, let's see what we can do. We can do like fill it later by the function Ajax. So what we can do is self dot product name equals to label. We self dot left. We can leave this text blank, and we can say font is Arial 18 bold, easy is white. Self dot product name dot place x equals to, let's say 0, y equals to 250. Okay, for just now let's test this. So this will get, what is it, root equals to tk line 57. Okay, this is abstract function. Okay, main.py. Okay, as you can see, sneakers, sneaks, whatever. So the name will be displayed over here. We can just increase the font a bit upper to, let's see, 27. Sorry, that's not it. This is 27. Okay, it's good. It is good. Okay, well, what if we change the color to orange? Okay, it can be done. So similarly, what we can do is get the price, like p price. We'll just say p price, and we'll place it in 290, and we'll say rupees 40, and let's see. Okay, sneakers rupees 40. Oh, it's okay. We can just work on that design, but that's okay. Now what we can do is whenever the button is pressed, it will get the names and the products info with that ID, and fill it in the labels above. So we are just going to do that. So first we need to get the query equals select. So what we're going to need is name. So since we're selling, we are going to need the selling price from. We don't need anything else from that. Inventory where ID equals question. So results equals to c dot execute. I think I haven't introduced the database here. So the connection, the cursor and all. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, now c.execute the query. So since it is going to be a tuple, select name. The ID is where is it? Okay, enter IDE. So we will say self dot get id equals to self dot enter id e dot get, so we can use it later everywhere. Self dot get id, and we need a comma. So the result is a list or array, as you may call it. So we are going to look through it. For self dot r in result, we are going to say self dot get name. These are the values that we get name equals to self dot r 0, and self dot get price equals to self dot r 1. So with this, what we can do is now we can simply update this. So we'll just remove this and we'll say, so to update this, we'll just call it product name dot configure. So this is a function, and give it the attributes. Text equals to string of self dot get name. We can also give products name plus okay. Similarly, what we can do is self dot price dot configure. Text is going to be price rupees plus a string of self dot get price. Okay, let's test this, but in the search button we are going to have to create the command equals to self dot ajax. Okay, let's see. Products name KitKat, price rupees 30. Similarly, 2 is batteries, 3 sandals, 4 pen, 5 wallets. So there's no number 6. 1, yeah, as you can see, this is the result. We are going to have to change that color. It does not look good. Let's try light blue. Mixing two colors. Okay, it's not good. We'll use steel blue. It's actually good. Noticeable. Okay. Blends in. Rupees 30, KitKat price 30. Okay. Now we are going to create, after appending the name, we are going to create the quantity and the discount label. Self dot quantity L equals to label inside self dot left with text equals to enter quantity, and font is Arial 18 bold. BG is white. Self dot quantity L dot place x equals to 190 and y equals to, let's see, 410, 370, I guess 370. Let's just test it. Enter quantity, it's a bit towards right, so we are going to take it towards left, which needs to be 0 actually. So similarly, what we can do is we can say self dot quantity e equals to entry self dot left width equals to 25, font equals to Arial 18 bold, BG is equals to light blue, self dot quantity e dot place x equals to 190, y equals to 370. Let's try this. Okay, 1. Okay, enter quantity, and we will say enter discount as well. Similarly, for the discount, we will just replace this L with E, with a enter discount. It's going to be in 410, 410. I think it's good. 1. Okay, enter quantity, enter discount. It's giving the product here. 2. Okay, batteries. 3. Okay, we're good to go. Now we are gonna add a button right below this, like over here, to like add to cart and display over here. Add to cart button. Why don't we just copy this search button? Add to cart BTN. Okay, X is 350, Y is 410, 450. Search, sorry, add to cart. 1. Okay, it's good. And we are also going to need the generate bill and change. So for the change, we can see change level equals to level self.left with text equals to given amount by the customer, and its font is Arial 18 bold, and its background is going to be white since it is in the left. Self.change L dot place X equals to 0, Y equals to, let's set it down to 450, 500. Okay, let's see. 1 given amount, it should be a bit below. Let's see, 550. Sorry, I forget to add. Okay, it's good. Now we are going to need the entry self.change E, entry inside self.left with text equal, sorry, there's no text in this, width is 25, and then we are going to need the font Arial 18 bold, this is light blue, self.change E dot place X equals to 190, Y equals to 550. No errors. Okay. Looks symmetrical to the label as well as the entry and the button. Change amount, we'll add a change amount here and the generate bill below. Okay. Self.change BTN equals to BTN. Okay, why don't we copy this? Change BTN. Okay. Calculate change. 550, 590, let's see. Okay, 1. Okay, it's good. We just need to change this command because it does not work in command. Add to cart is also not working in this command. Okay, so what we can do is now finally generate bill button. Okay, you copy this, Control V, and it's going to be a bit big. Let's say 50. Height is going to be, okay, 2, orange, red. Let's see, red. FG is white. We will also bind the keyboard to this button, or different buttons as our choice. So build button, let's say build button, Control V, 590, 640, and let's see, 1. Okay, it's being 0. Position 0. We'll increase it. Okay, let's see how far did it exceed. And 1 search generate bill. Okay, we can extend it to 100. 1 search. Okay, generate bill. It's big. Although the design looks very bad, but I mean, you know, just for a small store, we can always modify. Okay, so this is for the final. This is the final GUI for the main application, and we can eventually add some of the dynamic levels as well in the live invoice kind of a section. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video.